Empowering educators and students, a journey into AI. Dear university faculty and staff, we are thrilled to introduce A Journey into AI, Building Functional AI Systems in Business, a technical and functional guide with Python and Jupyter Notebook, a comprehensive resource designed to equip educators and students with the knowledge and skills to develop and implement practical AI solutions in a business setting. A legacy of innovation. The author of A Journey into AI brings over 50 years of experience in the computer industry, both in functional and technical aspects. This book leverages this vast expertise to provide a well-rounded and practical guide to AI development. The author has also written 3 other books on related topics. Success by Design and Practice. AI-Powered Enterprise Resource Planning. AI Modeling and Process. A Journey into AI builds upon this foundation, offering a practical approach specifically geared towards business applications. Why this book belongs in your curriculum. Industry-ready skills. This book goes beyond theory, offering a hands-on approach that guides learners through the entire AI development life cycle. They'll gain expertise in core concepts like machine learning, data processing, and model building with Python libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Real-world applications. The book emphasizes aligning AI efforts with actual business problems. Students will learn how to integrate AI systems with existing applications, ensuring solutions deliver tangible value. Interactive learning, clear explanations, step-by-step code examples, and practical exercises make learning engaging and effective. Students are encouraged to experiment, modify examples, and explore further, fostering a deeper understanding of AI concepts. Benefits for instructors. Streamlined course development. This book provides a structured roadmap for your AI curriculum. Engaging learning environment. Jupyter Notebook, a web-based interactive platform, is used throughout the book, allowing students to visualize results and deploy AI models directly within the learning environment. Bonus resources. A dedicated website complements the book, offering additional hands-on exploration with Python, further enriching the learning experience. Who should read this book? Programming students, expand skill sets and delve into the exciting world of AI development. Data analysis students, leverage AI to extract more advanced data insights. Business students, gain a solid understanding of AI and how to implement solutions within organizations. Unparalleled video support. A Journey into AI is uniquely enhanced by over 250 online videos that walk students through complex concepts and code implementation. These video resources are directly referenced throughout the book, providing a seamless learning experience. Stay ahead of the curve. The field of AI is constantly evolving. A Journey into AI is committed to keeping you informed. We regularly update AI concept white papers and AI videos, accessible using the QR code included in the book. This ensures students have access to the latest information and best practices in the field. Get started today. We invite you to explore A Journey into AI, Building Functional AI Systems in Business, and see how it can empower your students to become the future generation of AI innovators. For more information, including access to the website and QR code for the video resources and white papers, please visit our website. Note: website, https://sites.google.com/view/ai-powered-erp/home. Sincerely, the A Journey into AI, Building Functional AI Systems in Business team.